Hi, and today we're going to make a fabulous Nicoise salad. What we'll need for that is some small salad potatoes, some salad type stuff, eggs, salt and pepper for seasoning, extra virgin olive oil, I'll change that over, some green beans, and of course you wouldn't have a Nicoise without the star of the show, this beautiful steak of tuna, fresh tuna, bought today off Berry Market. The first thing we're going to do is just put some potatoes on. Oh shoot, right, so we just want a bit of salt in a pan, not too much, and then hey, just add some potatoes. That's probably enough, more than enough. And I'm just going to add some boiling water to that, put those on the boil. And while those potatoes are cooking, we are going to be making some hard-boiled eggs. Now the secret of hard-boiled eggs is you want to try and add boiled water to the eggs, and as soon as they come boiling, 7.5 minutes, 8 at a push, absolute maximum. So I'm putting 4 eggs in, as 2 people, 2 eggs per person, and no more than sort of 7.5, 8 minutes tops. And then as soon as you've got that, straight into cold water so that they don't cook anymore, and then you'll have perfect hard-boiled eggs with just a tiny little bit of yellow runny bits. It won't be runny at all, it'll be hard, but you'll see what I mean. Right, so we've got our potatoes on, waiting for those to cook. So I've just got some eggs in a pan. No, do not add any salt at all, that's important. So I've just boiled some water here. So I'm just going to add boiling water just to speed things up a bit. And heat onto there. Now, what we want to wait for is the second that comes to the boil. If it's not boiling when it's coming, it's still, see, that's not counting as boiling. As soon as it comes, you'll know when it's boiling. It's bubbling away. As soon as it comes to there, 7 minutes 30 seconds. Right, so the potatoes are cooking away nicely there. They take about 10 minutes or so till they're soft. And the eggs, you see, they're just coming up to the boil now. So, straight away, 7 minutes 30. While the potatoes and everything else is cooking, I'm just going to cook these. And what I'm going to do is just put a few drops of water in there, and then just 5 minutes in the microwave on full power. I'm just going to chop a bit of salad up, just to go. Preparation, I'm just putting it into a bowl. Whoops. None of which you can see, so just actually put some bits in a bowl. Right, so the beans are done, suitably melted the packaging there. I'm just going to run those under some cold water to cool them down a bit. Right, the 7.5 minutes are up for the eggs, so they can straight off added into the salad. So, and then straight into cold water. Going off the cold water, make sure I know it's cold, and it's cold to touch. Right, we'll just let those so the potatoes are done. I've just got the running in cold water here, just to cool them down, because they're cooked. Right, so fab, just drain off the water and add them straight in. Okay, right, start of the show, so I'm just going to get the right one. Put that on to start heating through. We want a hot pan for this, very important. And up to the tuna, I've just seasoned it with just some pepper. Doesn't really need anything else. slightly overdone, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, can you see just about a bit yellow there? Oops, that one missed there. Right. Right, so just going to add some olive oil to the hot pan. And add my tuna. Okay. It is cooking away. Get the fingers in the way. That. We want to sear it on both sides. If you like it extremely rare, then yeah, leave it at that. I usually do it again. You do want to eat this rare, you don't want it cooked all the way through. You want it seared on the outside. Wait a second. Oh, again. Off. That was pretty to cook. Right, now I'm going to serve. And that is tuna nicoise.